Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 8th of March 2021. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Alright, so let's dig into the system. Just quickly recap, guys. These are the intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis. Please watch that video, link is given in the video description, which explain how I trade live and how I provide live intraday analysis to all the traders. All right, so let's dig into straight to the Euro USD, pound dollar, and dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, if you look at here in 4-hour, as I said to you last week and Friday, that if the price gonna stay below that, because you can see that's the weekly support level is broken. So if the price gonna stay below that, we are mainly interested pull back short, and we were short the whole day, banking beautiful pips. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, all the intraday analysis of the Euro USD. Okay, so you can see from here to here, let me make it, you can see all the analysis for today. Let me make it bigger. So we did the analysis just before the market open last night. As you can see, 22:41 GMT, that the consolidation breakout, and we had a beautiful breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips at the Asian session. Then in the London morning session, you can see 7:34 just before London open, we explained look for another pullback, so which price nicely developed pullback, and we eventually we had a quite good pips. And then later on at the New York session, we explained to traders look for this breakout. Even if you're looking at counter, and we explain to trader if the price gonna break this blue fib channel, we can see we had, as long as momentum is bearish, that's what we're mainly interested. As you can see, the price momentum refused to bullish. We had a double top here at the resistance level, and then we had a beautiful breakout short trade. So you can see today whole day we were short on Euro USD. That's all in intraday analysis. All right, so moving forward, as I said to you, we are mainly interested in short trades on Euro USD, but in our intraday system, that's what we look at. We have our proprietary system. If the price is going to touch this red fib channel, then probably we will consider the price might have finished one cycle. If the price want to continue short, the price need to be retraced. So that's what I'm mainly interested at this level as a counter long trade. But we have our own pattern, which we look at, which is industry standard pattern, by the way. So we're looking here. Let me explain to you. If the price develop here is a double bottom and then break this recent high, then probably going to be interested counter long trade. Or if the price develop head and shoulder pattern in intraday, then we're probably going to be looking a long trade. Or if the price develop, triple bottom and then break, and after the breakout retest, then we're looking a counter long trade. Otherwise, we're going to be keep taking a short trade as long as the momentum is bearish. So we'll let you know tomorrow updates. So far, sentiment and the bias is short on Euro USD. Right, so let's dig into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite consolidation. Let's move into the 4-hour. As you can see here in 4-hour, the price is still consolidation. And as you can see, this was the daily support broken, now become a resistance. And the price keep respecting it. You can see here, that's the daily. And you can see here, it's sort of like a consolidation. So technically, you can see here, it's sort of like a triangle pattern is developing it. So let's see tomorrow how the price is going to do. But today we have a couple of I think one long trade and two short trade, or probably one short trade on pound dollar. Overall, you can see is a consolidation. So this is the move, and this is correction, and probably continue short here. So we'll let you know tomorrow, because as I said to you, we're an intraday trader. But let's see today's analysis on Euro USD, pound dollar as an intraday analysis. Okay, so let me share with you. Okay, so we have this analysis. This was the pretty straightforward at the market open. You can see here breakout, few pips, and afterwards price developer consolidation. That's what we explained to traders. Stay away in the cable. Even we have a speech this morning 10 GMT, but even price hasn't developed any, because you can see in 4-hour consolidation. So that's why we mainly suggest to traders to stay away in this trade. But we have this breakout because based on the momentum, and after breakout we have another small pullback short trade. So not that much we found opportunities in pound dollar, because you can see it even 4-hour consolidation. So tomorrow we are expecting a nice move, hopefully. Let's see here. And if you look at this price develop another small consolidation, and if the price can break this one, then we will consider this one as correction and then continue. So we'll let you know tomorrow. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, let's move into the 4-hour. Okay, so you can see here same, we don't see any clear direction. Even in intraday you can see here consolidation, but as it being an intraday, we managed a few pips as a long, and afterwards we also had a few short trades, because from here to here and from here to here, because we were watching this you can see here 100 EMA, which is also very powerful support level. You can see here we taken a long trade here, and we also take a short trade here. You can see here range opportunity, but overall we can see here sort of like sentiment is bullish, developing it. All right, so let's move on to the intraday analysis. Let me share with you guys. We had a quite interesting, because we were communicating with this all the traders today, right? So let me explain to you guys. Okay, this was the analysis. As you can see, just soon after the market open, we had a beautiful pips, and afterwards we explained to trader if the price is going to reverse, because the price was at the 100 EMA. So we explain if any pattern is developed, just take it. So that's why we explained to trader when this price develop a head and shoulder pattern. If you look at here, you can see this is head and this is shoulder. So, and as you can see here, its price was at the support level, and that's a good sign. We explained to trader as soon as the price gonna break the previous high, take a long trade, and we explain another one. If you look at the bottom, momentum was developed bullish, and we were watching in 4-hour based on that. So we basically have a journey beautiful from until the price hit to the 200 EMA. So beautiful long trade. And we also basically keep update analysis as soon as the price progress. So you can see here we did another analysis at the London just before open. Any pullback based on the momentum, we explained to trader through live audio commentary, would consider high probability trade. As you can see, we have another beautiful pullback low, and we explained to trader as long as the price gonna hit to the 200 EMA, just keep buying it. So we can see here beautiful long trade, and afterwards at the New York session you can see the price reverse. But as I said to you, we are looking valid technical entry. Momentum was developed bearish, and the price was respecting this 200 EMA in 4-hour. Based on that, as you can see, we explained to look for another pullback. So you can see here price came back beautiful and bank beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we explained to trader bank some profit, and then as soon as another develop, you can see momentum bearish. So we had another beautiful pullback short trade, and bank beautiful another good pips on dollar CAD. So you can see here we had a bank profit being an intraday bank from here to here, from top to bottom. So we had a beautiful pips on dollar CAD. All right, so let's see today. Dollar Swiss franc, we had a beautiful, that was the best analysis and the best trade of the day. We had a beautiful let me share with you guys dollar Swiss franc. Okay, first analysis was, I believe that's the one. We have this one. This was the breakout. You can see here beautiful pips, and afterwards we have another analysis instantly develop pullback long trade, price nicely, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here beautiful another pullback. So we were basically long on dollar was strength. You can see based on that, even if I show you, I think I should have shown you here from here, that's much easier. You can see here, beautiful. You can see long all day, breakout long, and then we had another pullback long. We had another beautiful pullback long, because because we keep an eye in 4 hour. That's what exactly we look at here. As we explained to trader, as soon as the price gonna break the structure previous high, just keep buying it, pullbacks. And that's our job is to refine entries and exit through intraday system. That's what we did. Breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. Beautiful. And as you can see here, price is about to hit to the profit target. So that was the beautiful analysis. We also had at Aussie dollar, we had a beautiful, not this one, let me share with you. This morning we had a beautiful trade on Aussie dollar. That was you can see here, beautiful breakout. You can see here, price nicely broken. And that's what we explained to trader. You can see here, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest. That's what we explained to trader. And if the price gonna stay below this level and momentum is bearish, just keep basically selling it, because the dollar CAD was long, so this is more or less correlated. Beautiful breakout, pullback, and nice beautiful pip. So we really enjoyed today. Even today was a Monday. Most of the time we are conservative in terms of trading, but when we see these type of opportunities in intraday, it's a beautiful pips. All right, guys. So that's it for now, and we'll keep you updated with the 3 major pair analysis tomorrow. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see rest of the pairs analysis, intraday analysis in the real time with the live audio commentary support, with the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, don't worry, we provide you full Forex coaching and training. And even if you are struggling in Forex trading, this is the platform where you can see all that analysis and the trades updates in real time, alongside all the fundamental information in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, you're gonna love it, because this is pretty straightforward, purely price action trading, because we analyze our major focus in 4 hour. That's what exactly we look at. And of course, we have an intraday system, which basically help us to refine entries and exit, and it's going to be pretty straightforward for you to understand. But as I said to you, we provide full coaching and training to all levels of the traders. Even you experience, we also give you full training about the strategy, which strategy we are using it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and have a nice evening. Stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.